So hi everyone, welcome to my video on how to make Miles Morales in Roblox. So Miles is a popular character from the Spider-Man comics and video games, and he is easy to make in Roblox. In this video, I'll show you how to get the right clothes, accessories and body parts to create your own Miles Morales character. So let's start with the body part, and Miles is a bit taller than average Roblox character, so you need to increase his height. You have to go to scale, and now you have to keep the height at full capacity and just decrease the width and head. Usually the spider character usually have this kind of a you will also want to make sure his skin color is dark brown. So you guys, you have to go to head and body and go to avatar, go to head and body and go to skin tone, and just scroll down and click on advanced and choose the brown and black color for your body part. First, you will need to find the right cloth for the Miles, and there are different options. But I will recommend some specific things you need to consider to make your character look like Miles Morales. Now you have to search for Miles Morales in these things in marketplace. So once you here, guys, you have to choose this item. It is only for the 5 Robux. You have to search for this item, worried red comic eyes. This item you have to search for it and just click on it to open. And let's try this out. How it looks. So it is 50 Robux, and you can buy this. And you can see that my character's bit very similar to now. And now you have to go to select this one as well. This tight red web hood. You have to choose this one as well, and you can this item currently not for sale, but you can try this out. If you don't want to purchase this, you can choose this one. This is also 50 Robux. You can try this out. So you can see that the t-shirt, this t-shirt or cloth look like this. So when you wear this eyes on the character, it will make your look much better. Fine, so you can try these items, and guys, your character will be much more look like a Miles Morales. So these are the items are relatively affordable and they look great. So you can find all these items in accessories section easily. You will need to adjust your body parts, and so that's it. That's how you can make Miles Morales in Roblox. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.